I'm happy to introduce you to my new Monster 185 FactoryR. I've been using it for the last month and I'm feeling so good with it. With less weight than its predecessor, but even more power. It's built in high-quality materials like carbon fiber and titanium. The racing spirit of this engine is really fitting with my style of flying. With 12 kilograms more of thrust, I have all the precision I need to play low and to climb high with my Acro wing, and to be able to play for hours in the sky. I feel really comfortable flying with it because it's really light and I think it opens a new range of possibilities in paramotor flights. When you are flying with the right equipment, you feel safe to discover new places.